In the vastness of cosmic time, even galaxies are destined to meet their fate. And one of the most spectacular events in the history of our local group is already underway. A three-way collision between the Milky Way, Andromeda, and the Triangulum galaxy. This is not science fiction, it's a celestial certainty. The first signs began billions of years ago, with subtle gravitational tugs between Andromeda and the Milky Way. These spiral giants, both brimming with hundreds of billions of stars, were never truly isolated. Locked in each other's gravitational embrace, they've been slowly drawing closer, defying the expansion of the universe. Today, we know that Andromeda is approaching at over 110 kilometers per second. That's roughly the width of Earth's orbit every year. On human timescales, that may sound slow, but in galactic terms, it's a headlong rush. The galaxies are expected to collide in about 4.5 billion years, sooner than our Sun runs out of fuel. For any future civilizations still orbiting stars in either galaxy, it will be a breathtaking spectacle. Giant tidal arms of stars will be pulled outward like cosmic ribbons. Massive bursts of star formation will ignite as gas clouds compress during the encounter. The night skies will bloom with millions of new suns, far brighter and denser than anything seen today. And what's more, Triangulum won't be a bystander. This smaller, elegant spiral galaxy is also moving toward the merger site and may either collide beforehand or be drawn into the aftermath. It could even orbit the newly formed megagalaxy, perhaps merging in a second stage. Some simulations suggest that Triangulum might have already passed through Andromeda once, creating tidal disruptions and influencing both galaxies' shapes. This makes the coming event not just a binary collision, but a triple encounter, one that will forever reshape our cosmic neighborhood. But let's clear up a common misconception. Even though galaxies are filled with stars, space is so vast that collisions between stars are rare. Instead, it's the gravitational fields, gas clouds, and dark matter halos that clash and merge. These interactions will trigger supernovae, starburst regions, gas outflows, and fountains, and possibly the formation of a new supermassive black hole at the center of the merged galaxy. Scientists predict that the final result will be a giant elliptical galaxy, larger and more massive than either Milky Way or Andromeda alone. Its name? Some propose Milkomeda, others M31-way, but its impact will go far beyond naming. For Triangulum, the stakes are high. Depending on its timing, it could be swallowed whole by the merged galaxy, flung outward into intergalactic space, or torn apart, becoming tidal streams wrapped around the new core. Its fate lies in the complex ballet of gravitational forces, a ballet playing out over billions of years. But even now, astronomers can simulate it. Using data from the Hubble Space Telescope, Gaia, and radio observatories, scientists model the velocities, masses, and trajectories of all three galaxies. These simulations are like time machines, giving us a preview of a future none of us will live to see, but one written in the stars. There's even a poetic irony here. The universe began with a rapid expansion, the Big Bang. But in this corner of space, galaxies are now coming together, merging, creating unity out of separation. And while it may seem like an apocalypse, it's really just transformation. Life, if it survives this far in the future, may not fear the merger. It may thrive in it. New stars, new planets, new possibilities. In that sense, this triple galactic collision is not a destructive end, but a grand beginning. A new galaxy will rise, forged in the fires of gravity, shaped by time, and perhaps one day, explored by the beings it helped create. So as we gaze out toward Andromeda in the night sky, a faint blur with the naked eye, we are not just seeing a galaxy, we are seeing our future, a future written in motion, a destiny of stars.